Alright, we're beginning section 1, part B. So we'll start with question number 29. Alright, the average value of a continuous function f of x on the closed interval 3 to 7 is 12. So what's the value of 3 to 7, the integral of 3 to 7 f of x dx? That's what the question says. They want to find the value of this. Okay. Well, to understand this, we just have to understand how to get the average value of a function. So the average value of a function is specifically this. It equals the integral from a to b f of x dx over the width of the interval, b minus a. So we have, to get the average value of a function, the average value of f of x is the integral of that function from a to b of that function over b minus a. So the average value of a function f of x on an interval from a to b is this right here. The integral from a to b of f of x over the width of the interval. So they're asking the average value of f of x on the interval from 3 to 7, or they tell you that it's 12. So I know that the integral of f of x from 3 to 7 dx, the average value, well, that's 7 minus 3. That's the average value right here. The integral from 3 to 7 of f of x dx over 7 minus 3 is the average value of that function on the interval from 3 to 7. So if they tell me that that is 12, well, all I have to do is just simplify that. 7 minus 3 is 4, and then multiply both sides by 4, and I get the integral. So I end up with the integral from 3 to 7 of f of x dx equals 48, which is E, which is your answer. Now, this is the type of question that if you have no idea how to find the average value, it's hard because you don't know what to do. But if you do know how to find the average value of a function, then this is a very simple one. So the point is just to remember that the average value of a function f of x on the interval a to b is the integral of that function from a to b over the width of the interval, b minus a. So as long as you remember that, to find the average value of a function on the interval a to b is this right here, then you're fine, and it becomes a very simple question to answer. Alright, see you next video.